Hi, I am Ashwpriya from Final Year ECE department in Anjali Ammal Mahalingam Engineering College. Okay, your dreams are what define your individuality. They have the power to give wings and make fly high. You win some and lose some. It all part of the game, okay? Do you try to best to fit into situations but never seem to be successful? The reality is that you can reduce stress if you feel comfortable being who you are rather than who you are not. Being able to express individuality can actually be fun when you realize that what sets you apart is what makes you so special. Be unique and proud of it. I said, stay true to yourself. Every one of us has a number of impressive qualities and its ability to be unique that you ought to embrace. If you are not already doing so, you know where I'm going to here. Stop worrying what other people thinks if you want to be a successful woman. Okay, I have said it before and I will repeat it over and over again. It's easier said than done, but you once get a hang of it, you will feel freer and more confident than ever as you express individuality with confidence. So, show who you are and what you are good at without apology. First of all, you have to express your hobby to your surroundings and your friends and families and all of us, okay? For example, if you love collecting seashells or doing yoga, don't be afraid to tell people about it. Just because all your friends go bowling every Sunday doesn't mean you have to do the same. If you don't want to do it, let children decide what they think is right, can create leaders and the new generations who are ready to solve major issues. Okay, instead of dismissing as false child believe, allow your child to think what they think and let them be confident in it. If children don't want to believe something parents tell them, let them remain skeptical and parents may be wrong. Different ways of thinking are good. Parents and children should be encouraged to find a happy medium rather than staying at different ends of the spectrum. Respecting different persons of opinion build respect in other aspects of life. Okay, in the end, children are not dolls, like or toys. Okay, not toys for parents to play the one position or just playing with it. They are their own separate entities. They can and should think for and express themselves. It can build character, confidence and leadership abilities, but most importantly it shows respect. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. I have always said, don't be afraid what you want and what you put, like you put something, be confident with it. Okay, so don't be afraid to speak your mind. Okay, what if you disagree with what everyone is saying on a particular subject? Don't be afraid to put forward an argument to challenge it. Maybe it's a political opinion you are not on board with, or your friends could be making fun of something else. If you agree with their standpoint, then say that's fine or okay. But if you disagree, then say no. Okay, or say what's so I don't know. Like no problem at all. And another one thing is gossiping. We all know about the gossipings. Like, okay, some gossiping people are still there. Okay, and gossiping is not okay. It's not okay in my books. So don't be scared to speak up and put an end to it. After all, how you would feel it? You knew someone talking up behind your back. Just remember, disagree and express your individuality respectfully. Otherwise, you might lose friends very quickly. When it's come to your feelings, you must be honest and upfront. Don't worry so much about others people's reactions. Instead, try to focus on your fact that being honest will help them understand you better than ever. Be unique to express your individuality. Okay, so I already said don't ever be afraid to take risks and accept new challenges. Be unique and try to true yourself. You will be stronger and better you for it. Choosing to do things differently to everyone else is a sign of your individuality. So embrace it. The experience in your life or what define you as a person and makes you beautifully unique. Right? Thank you guys.